So, welcome back to today's new lecture on how to create the contact us page. Friends, in today's class, we are going to learn about the creation of contact us page. When we talk about contact us page, the major things which are involved are Google Map, embed, how we can embed the Google Map. And the second thing is how we can add the contact form and how we can add the address, mobile number, email ID, and then contact number, right? Mobile number, email ID, and then address, location, etc. How to add all of these things, how to prepare the complete, what we can say, the contact us page we are going to learn in today's topic, okay? So I'm sharing my screen. Oh, friends, okay. I have here modern SEO wptheme.com. This is a model website. By saying this one, we are preparing a new website, right? So see here, in this page, what we have a Google map, right? And then we have left side a form, and then right side we have a mobile number, right? Email address, right? Name, etc. Contact number, address, etc. etc. And we have already we also have a submit button here. A header and footer are common for all the pages, right? Header, both this header and this footer are commonly added to all the pages, right? So how to make this one, we are going to learn in today's class one by one. So in the uh, first session, I will start the creation of the header, okay? I will start the creation of the header. Just a second. Hmm. So friends, this is my domain digitens.free.nf, right? And I have entered into my admin panel here. And then what I have to going to create, I am going to create the contact as well, right? So here, see here, previously I have created the about us page, home page, right? And so that's my Elementor. Wherever we have worked with the Elementor, that Elementor is showing up here, right? So first of all, I will go to pages session. Under the pages session, I will go to open the home page completed, about us page completed. I have given work to you to complete the services page, right? And then today I am going to, we are going to start the contact us page. If you have completed the services page, please let me know. Okay. We are also going to learn about the difference between the padding and margin once again. So whenever we go on practicing friends, then only we will be able to get the clarity on the element. So as much as we practice, we become perfect. So do practice on a daily basis. So now our Elementor is opening on our contact us page. Okay. So now see here, we have entered into the contact us page. Initially, what the thing is there here, there is a complete map is there, right? Google map is there. So for that one, how to add the map? So come up here and under this element section, um, type for the map or embedded form, Google Maps right here. Okay. So just, okay. So before that, we can make a, yeah, we have to take a, what? We have to take a section. Under that one, we have to add the, right? So again, once again, go to the element section. Now type for the maps. So you will be getting the maps here. So here embedded form of the maps will come up here. So here it will ask us, it is a just what can I say? This one is the default some map. How the map will look when we add the map. How does it look? Like that, as a default, it will show something. So in order to add our map address here, we have to enter into the maps.google.com. In previous classes also, we have discussed how to add any missing address on the Google Maps. See here, friends, this is what google.com maps here. Okay, this is my area only. This is my area only. So my area, this address is also our tuition center. And now we are searching for our agency, right? So somewhere here we will be having our agency. This one is the agency. Yeah. So what I will search? Digital Nizamuddin, marketing agency and academy. Digital Nizamuddin, uh, Digital Nizamuddin. Yeah. I will search for the address, right? So here now it is showing in a red color, right? So what we have to do is we can share this address to someone, and in order to add these, what can I say, this address to our website, we have to just what we have to go to these three lines session. Okay, under these three lines, we have to open and go to the what if you want to add any new address, you have to go to add a missing place, and if you go to the missing place here, here it will ask to add a place. Then you have to give your place name, category, address required, right? And here edit the map location. You can edit the map also here. Okay, if you go to add the map, so here it will show you how to add the maps. Okay, wherever he wants to keep, you drag and drop exactly where your location is there. Okay, you keep there and you can save it. Okay, like that, and your address will be added here. Okay, add more details, it will ask. Okay, here you can ask, you can add the location, within hours, contact number, website. If you have, you can add the website, about and opening date, etc. Place photos, right? Place photos, etc., etc. And you can, if it these businesses belongs to you, then you can claim this business as it is belongs to me. I'm the manager, I'm the owner of this business. Like that, you can claim as well. Okay. So this is how we can add, okay, business name, etc. By going from here also, we can add the any missing address, I mean, which is not placed on the Google Maps, we can add, okay. So this is way. If we have our business, then just simply go and take an option as share or embedded map. So open this map and then embedded map, embed a map. So from this map, you have to copy the HTML. Copy HTML. It will be message will be pop up here. Here, copy it to the clipboard. Okay. Now again, come to your website, and then what you have to do is you just come up here. Okay, and then location zoom. It will say you. So, for example, see here, friends. Okay. First, we will add the map. Okay, container advanced. So click here, friends. This is the pencil button of this button, right? And then we have to choose the location. Now you can come here, and we are not going to add this one, right? London something is showing up there. So London is not our website address. So what we have to do, we have to take actually Google Maps one. It will ask us to add the HTML code. The Elementor also AI tools are came. In the previous sessions of Elementor, we have direct options, friends. Custom CSS, so we can add. For example, if I try to add the map here, hmm, under this map only, it has to show. You can also add the friends one more thing, HTML code. Okay. If it is not looking there, you can type like this and paste the code there. Then the map will come. Okay. Now it is coming. Okay. So for example, see here, there are two settings we have, and I will update my address. Okay. Now I will refresh my page. I will refresh my page, and I will see what digi trends. Yeah. Contact us page. So friends, our address has been successfully added now. Okay. Our address has been successfully added. But this web page, this address is not added perfectly. I mean, some gap is left over here at the right and left side, and some gap is already also left here, right? So how to remove these some small gaps also? So what is the solution? Is see here, width here under this HTML code, you will be having here width is 600. So remove that 600 and make it as 100 percentage. 100 percentage you have to add. That's it. So then automatically it will be added completely 100%. Okay. Now once again I will refresh my page and I will see here whether it is added or not. What we have to do is 100% we have to make here. 100 percentage. Update is updated. Okay, one more thing. One more setting we have to do. That is, you go to the session, okay, and go to here, advanced session. Margin is there, or we can go to the layout style. Layout, okay. Here it is showing it as a boxed. So make it as a full width. Okay. First you make it as a full width, and then one more thing. Here also come here. First I will check it. Update. I will update this one, and then come up here. Now you update this page. Now box is removed and now updated with the full width. Okay. Okay. I updated with the full width. Now the another is here some gap is left, right? How to remove this one? Now again come up here. For every session we will be having one column here, right? So remove the padding. We need to remove the padding here. Okay, to this session, whatever the padding is there, we have to make the padding as 0. Padding as 0. How to make this one? So again, you go here, go to advanced settings. You can give the padding as 0. Okay, have you seen now the padding that some gap is there? Now it is top, and here 0 also we have to keep at the bottom. Okay, already given. Okay, top, bottom, right to left, all there, all places we have to give the bottom. I mean 0 to the all the places, right, left. Whenever just you have to give 0 here, automatically it will take it here, and then you will just see the difference here. Now this gap will be removed, and completely now the full gap with the full map you will see here. So you can browse. Okay, you can enlarge the map, and you can also move wherever you want to move it, and you can also minimize. Okay, there is an option. You can minimize this map. Again, you can see the entire world map here. Okay, under this world map where we can also see like this. Okay, now the mapping has been successfully added. Google Map has been successfully added.